welcome to Vintage Computer Software and Games. Right then, I've decided, because I gave the game such a poor review the last time I tried it, that I would have another look at Erebus from Virgin Games, released in 1986. Dave Lee did the music, Martin Wheeler did the graphics, and the programmer was Steve Lee. It's a horizontal shoot-'em-up. Right, let's have a look. The music is bloody fantastic on this, and actually the game was released on Mastertronic's Ricochet label, which would have meant that it would have been £1.99 to buy, and that I think is pretty fantastic value for money. You know what, because I'm so appallingly bad at this game, I'm going to continue with an invincibility cheat enabled, just so that you can see the rest of the levels, because I really didn't see more than the second level when I was a kid. So as you can see, when you finally do complete the game, it just says cleansing complete, press fire, and there you go, right back to the beginning again. You know, cleansing complete. You've not been sweeping the fucking kitchen. This is a hard game. Aye. Anyway, one thing I did notice, and I think this was a major gripe of mine about it, is that when you die and then you come back again, it puts you straight in the path. And I'm talking, there's a bullet 3mm behind you. You're not going to move out of its way. So yes, it can be unfair like that, and the ending is a bit shit. But I think it's still a pretty good blasting game. I think I was much better at it when I was younger, when I first had it. It's got an excellent soundtrack. Compliments to the musician there. The graphics are fantastic, and there's this like tubular background noise going on, if you can hear that when it plays. And well, all the sound effects sound like they're coming through a tube, and that's largely due to the SID chip. It's very advanced, and it's still used today by musicians, so I've been told. Right, yeah, but the gameplay, it's a bit of a mixed thing. It's a really good game, don't get me wrong, I loved it when I was a kid, but looking at it now as an adult, with slower reactions, I'm absolutely naff at it. I can't do it. I need to be twice as quick to be able to even get off the first level on this game. Right, so that's it, that's Erebus. Well, I will give it. Now bear in mind, I can't play it at all, but that shouldn't come into it. Other players out there will be able to. So I would give Erebus, given everything it's got, a good 8 out of 10, to be fair. Right, that's all for now. So thank you for watching, and take care till next time.